Okay, is my wrist completely after that? Oh! I forgot about the whole condensation thing. Yeah, keep the lens cap off. It's like waiting for coronavirus to end. I just had to fill up this sheep behind me. It's the weirdest looking sheep I've ever seen in my life, and it just did the weirdest burp I've ever heard from any living creature. More dogs. Yes, the dogs. Might notice this is a running theme through some of my videos, is that I generally hate dogs. I'm sorry, but I just do. All the mod cons, perfect lavatory. Looks like someone's lost a leg. Well, I've just stopped off on the bus, so it's a long journey. It's like about 4 hours to Bayana Basha, so we've just stopped off for a break so the driver doesn't drop off and kill us all. I don't know what it is. It's like a raccoon with a long nose. Bit weird looking.